Just gonna do an errand. Yeah? Oh yeah? Yeah, I got 2 of them. I just try and find an excuse every day to get on it, you know? Especially when the weather's nice. Bye-bye. Take care. Oh, what a nice day. Just gonna run some errands today. Wanted to make sure I got some gas on this bike too. It's always good to start a day with a kid waving at you. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Gotta love California gas prices. It's actually kind of cheap today, but we'll go with the diesel option on my WR250R. Anyways, let's go to the post office. Nice view of the valley.